Hello, Royal family. How is everyone doing on this Wednesday? Mrs. O is back with another video. As I was searching through YouTube, I kept seeing a lot of creators saying Vlogmas, Vlogmas, Vlogmas. And I was like, okay, what is Vlogmas? You know, I guess where they post a video every day until Christmas. And I looked at this other YouTuber, which is a great cook. She said, okay, I'm going to do Cookmas for, you know, however long you're supposed to do it. I really don't know anything about it. But I think it's like until Christmas or before Christmas. So I said, I guess it'll ramp me up and really get my creative juices going. I am going to do Cookmas also. I'm going to try and post a video every day until Christmas. That might be kind of hard because I have orders, plus I'm hosting Christmas myself. So I might bring you guys along when I start my Christmas dinner. But I am going to try and do a video. You know, me complaining about 5 days a week. Let's see how we do with 7 days a week. Pray for a sister, will you pray for me? But anyway, you know, I have to get all that out the way. I want to thank all of my new subscribers. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I want to thank my ride or die subscribers. You guys already know, you know, you really rock. I mean, you know, what else can I say? But anyway, today we're going to do a sock it to me banana bread. Yes, we're going to incorporate the two of both worlds. And tomorrow, oh my God, I got a recipe for you guys. It's going to be pretty unique. I can't wait till you all see it. So with that being said, let's get this train on the tracks, on the tracks, on the tracks. Let's get to cooking, you guys. Okay, here are the ingredients. I have eggs. I have softened butter. I have 3, hope you can see this. Let me just take it out. Really, really ripe bananas. And you want them really ripe because it will make a great, great banana bread. So I have 3 of them. Here I have brown sugar, and it's light brown sugar. I have sea salt. I have Vietnamese cinnamon. I have the banana extract. I have canola oil. I have baking soda. And I have walnut half in pieces, which I'm going to chop up. And of course, I have flour and sugar. So I'm going to go ahead and start measuring out the ingredients and doing the bananas. Then I'll come back and show you guys what's next. And also, you will need a loaf pan. If I'm not mistaken, this is an 8 by 8. I can't find the measurements on the bottom, so I can't remember, but I'm going to say an 8 by 8 if I'm doing my measurements correctly. Okay, I smashed the 3 bananas up with a fork. And you still want some texture to your bananas. So next, we're going to add the butter, which is melted, and make sure it is cool. Please, no hot or warm butter. We're going to add the 3 eggs, I'm sorry, the 2 eggs, and the oil. Now I'm going to mix this up with a spatula, then I'll come back and show you what we do next. I had to get a whisk because the spatula wasn't working. But this is the eggs, the bananas, the oil, and I added a teaspoon of banana extract. You see, you still have little pieces of banana. That gives your bread a great texture. So just mix this all up. Then we're going to add the dry ingredients. I want you guys to see this. Okay. In this bowl is flour, sugar, salt, and baking soda. And we're going to add this to the wet mixture, I'm going to say a cup at a time until it's well blended. And once it's well blended, when it's all incorporated, we're going to put the streusel on half of the batter. Here is half of the banana bread batter. Now we're going to put the streusel in here. I want you to see this. And this has walnuts, cinnamon. You can use pecans if you like. Cinnamon, brown sugar, and a little flour. Because usually you can do the streusel with a 2 tablespoons of a cake mix if you're, making it from a cake. But I am not, so just make sure we want to get all of the streusel in every corner. Then we're going to put the other half on. We're going to bake it at 350 degrees for 45 minutes to an hour, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean, and we will have our sock-it-to-me banana bread. And I might frost it with a light cream cheese frosting, but I have so many cream cheese videos out there, so I won't post the recipe to that. Okay, you guys see that? Now let's put the other on top, and I'll see you guys in about 1 hour. All right, Royal Family, here is the finished presentation of the sock-it-to-me banana bread. Can you guys see that streusel? Look down in there. And I just added some butter to it. I don't think I would frost this because I think the sweetness is balanced. But if you put a cream cheese frosting on it, for me, I think it might be too sweet. But, some people like it, but it's a great breakfast bread. And I want to show you guys, give you a close-up. Hold on. Look at this. Look at the streusel in it. And it's just falling to pieces. It's so moist. Can you see that? All right, hold on. Oh my God. This is so delicious with the cinnamon in it. Winner, winner. Sock it to me, banana bread dinner. This is a must recipe that you guys have to try. I promise you, I knocked this out of the park. All right, you guys, I will see you tomorrow with another awesome recipe. God bless you and stay safe.